Dive into the messy, mysterious, and miraculous world of mud, where survival is an art and the animal kingdom's most ingenious tactics are revealed. From wallowing hippos to burrowing frogs, nature's slimiest substance isn't just dirt, it's a lifeline. In this wild exploration, discover why mud is nature's ultimate survival tool: cooling, camouflage, and even disease defense. The sneaky strategies of creatures like elephants, warthogs, and mudskippers that rely on sludge to thrive. Whether it's a swamp, a savanna, or a sticky riverbank. Ducks have a special gland near their tails called the preen gland, which produces oil. They spread this oil over their feathers to make them waterproof, allowing them to float and stay dry. Ducks are omnivores and eat a variety of foods, including plants, insects, small fish, and algae. Raccoons have a distinctive black mask of fur around their eyes, which helps reduce glare and improve night vision. Raccoons are among the smartest animals, capable of solving complex puzzles, remembering solutions for years, and even using tools. Raccoons often dunk their food in water before eating. Hippos spend most of their time in water, such as rivers, lakes, and swamps. They can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes and even sleep underwater, surfacing to breathe without waking up. Hippos are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. They are highly territorial and can be very aggressive, especially if they feel threatened. Pandas are bears, scientifically known as Ailuropoda melanoleuca. They are native to China and are considered a national treasure. Pandas have a unique thumb called a pseudo-thumb, which is an enlarged wrist bone that helps them grip bamboo. Pandas are generally solitary creatures. They communicate through vocalizations and scent markings. Mountain goats are incredible climbers, scaling near vertical cliffs with ease, thanks to their specialized hooves with rough pads for grip. Mountain goats crave minerals and will travel far to find salt deposits, even licking rocks to get essential nutrients. Mountain goats eat grasses, mosses, shrubs, and lichens. Gorillas have captured human imagination and are often featured in literature, movies, and conservation campaigns. They symbolize strength, intelligence, and the importance of protecting wildlife. Gorillas build nests daily from leaves and branches to sleep in. They usually construct new nests each night. Roosters are famous for their loud crowing, which serves as a territorial call to announce their presence and ward off rivals. They can crow at any time of day, not just at dawn. Roosters play a key role in establishing the pecking order within a flock, often acting as protectors and leaders. Roosters have brightly colored feathers, often with iridescent greens, Llamas are native to South America, specifically the Andean region. They were domesticated by the Inca civilization around 4,000 to 5,000 years ago, primarily for their wool, meat, and as pack animals. Llamas belong to the camelid family, which also includes camels, alpacas, vicuñas, and guanacos. Hamsters are nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night and sleep during the day. This can be a consideration for potential pet owners who are light sleepers or prefer daytime interaction with their pets. Hamsters have large cheek pouches that extend down to their shoulders. They use these pouches to carry food, bedding. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. African elephants can weigh up to 6 to 7 tons, 12,000 to 14,000 pounds, and stand up to 10 to 13 feet tall at the shoulder. Asian elephants are slightly smaller. Elephants have a long lifespan, typically living 60 to 70 years in the wild. Goats were one of the first animals to be domesticated, around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of environments, from mountains to deserts. Goats have rectangular pupils, which give them a wide field of vision, 320 to 340 degrees, to spot predators. Goats were one of the first animals to be domesticated. Reindeer are found in the Arctic and subarctic regions of North America, Europe, and Asia. They thrive in tundra, boreal forests, and mountainous habitats. Reindeer are known for their long migrations, some traveling over 3,000 miles, 4,800 kilometers annually, the longest migration of any land mammal. Bulls are male cattle, Bos taurus, and are part of the Bovidae family, which includes cows, buffalo, and bison. Bulls are larger and more muscular than cows, with some breeds weighing up to 2,400 pounds, 1,100 kilograms. Bulls are symbols of strength, fertility, and power in many cultures, including ancient Greek, Egyptian, and Mesopotamian civilizations. Camels can survive without water for up to 10 days in extreme heat. When they do drink, they can consume up to 40 gallons, 150 liters of water in one go. Camels can withstand body temperatures ranging from 93 degrees Fahrenheit to 105 degrees Fahrenheit, 34 degrees Celsius to 41 degrees Celsius, without sweating, helping them conserve water. Cats were revered in ancient Egypt and were often associated with the goddess Bastet. Killing a cat, even accidentally, was punishable by death. Cats are still used as pest controllers in places like farms, warehouses, and even the British Parliament. Cats have an exceptional sense of hearing and can detect ultrasonic sounds made by rodents. Donkeys have been domesticated for over 5,000 years and were originally found in North Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. They were primarily used for transportation and carrying heavy loads. Donkeys have been domesticated for over 5,000 years and were originally found in North Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. Rhinos are found in Africa and Asia. White and black rhinos live in Africa, while Indian, Javan, and Sumatran rhinos are native to Asia. Rhinos are among the largest land animals. White rhinos can weigh up to 200-300 kilograms, 5,070 pounds, while Sumatran rhinos are the smallest, weighing around 600 to 950 kilograms. Cows were domesticated around 10,000 years ago from wild ancestors like the aurochs. They have been integral to human agriculture and culture ever since. Cows are highly social animals and form strong bonds with their herd members. They can recognize up to 100 individuals and prefer to stay in groups, often spend a significant portion of their day grazing, typically 6 to 11 hours. They prefer to graze in the early morning and late afternoon. Zebras are found in a variety of habitats across Africa. Plains zebras inhabit grasslands and savannas. Mountain zebras live in mountainous and hilly regions. And Grevy's zebras prefer arid and semi-arid grasslands. Zebras are social animals that live in groups. Plains zebras and mountain zebras typically form small family groups called harems, consisting of one stallion, several mares, and their young. Dogs were the first domesticated animals, with evidence suggesting they were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, possibly even earlier. Dogs have an incredibly powerful sense of smell, with up to 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses, compared to about 6 million in humans. This makes them excellent at tracking scents. Dogs are highly intelligent and can learn commands, solve problems, and even understand human emotions. Some breeds, like border collies and poodles, are particularly known for their intelligence. Horses were domesticated around 4000 to 3500 BCE, likely on the steppes of Central Asia. They have played a crucial role in human history. From transportation and agriculture to warfare and sport, horses communicate through vocalizations, neighs, whinnies and snorts, body language, and facial expressions. They are highly social animals and form strong bonds with other horses and humans. Horses have been integral to human civilization, used in agriculture, transportation, and warfare. They have also been celebrated in art, literature, and mythology. Cooling, camouflage, and even disease defense. The sneaky strategies of creatures like elephants, warthogs, and mudskippers that rely on sludge to thrive. Packed with jaw-dropping facts and stunning real-world examples, Survival in the Sludge uncovers the dirty, daring, and downright brilliant ways animals turn mud into their secret weapon. Whether it's a swamp, a savanna, or a sticky riverbank, one thing's clear. In the wild, sometimes the messiest places hold the keys to survival.